What's up, crypto geeks? Back with another video, and you should be extremely happy today. This is my second video of about the same day, but today we're gonna get into the price, and I can tell you want to hear what I'm gonna talk about, because there's gonna be big change coming to the crypto community and the crypto prices, so make sure you tune in. Now, before I start, please make sure you click that like button and you subscribe. It means everything to me. It helps me grow and helps me dedicate more time to you guys and to these videos. And know that I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm not trying to give you any financial advice or legal advice. Make sure you do your own research, and we'll get that started. Now, let me start by saying XRP had an amazing day yesterday and continues to have a great day. And if you remember and you looked at my last video, I told you what I predicted to be happening this week with XRP, and that was $1. We're gonna cross the $1 again this week, probably midweek, so I'm guessing by Wednesday, Thursday we're gonna cross the $1. So we're shifting towards that. You can take a look at the graph here, and I love this graph because it's actually shows you exactly how much is needed to be bought for it to reach different capacity levels and different prices. So if we're trying to get to 90 cents, 1.2 million, you can see it in the corner there flashing, 1.3 million XRP need to be sold, which is almost nothing. And that's why, if you watched my video from yesterday, you saw it go up from 81 cents to $1.30, and then go back to $1.01, and then 81 cents. So that means that there's not too much selling pressure actually right now. And look at that, you're starting to form a square here, which means the number of buyers, there's a decent resistance level at 87, and then you see another square here, which means another decent resistance level at this level. So they're not ginormous resistance levels, but for a small scale like that, these are big resistance level. Another major resistance level here is at 76. You can obviously see that, where it's suddenly you have a sort of rectangle being built up, and another major resistance level about 66.5. Big numbers for XRP, and you can see the number of buyers is significantly bigger than the number of sellers. So we're in a buying spree, and whoever was saying that we are in a bear market is completely inaccurate. Look at the number of buyers compared to sellers, you guys. There's nothing to compare here. I mean, it's huge. It's anyone can see that. Now, XRP, like I said, and like I've been saying the whole time, is not yet time to diverge away from Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominates the market, will continue to dominate the market probably for the next 5 years, with it slowly weaning down, right? So a big crash in Bitcoin essentially is a crash for everything. And we saw that over the last couple of days, right? With Bitcoin declining, and the news outlets were making it sound like it was the most exciting thing ever. Yes! Bitcoin is down! Its dominance is down! Altcoins are a little bit higher, but as I was saying, you cannot have a crashing of Bitcoin dominance like that. If you have a crashing of Bitcoin dominance like that, that means the whole market is crashing. So we want a gradual deterioration, a gradual decline of Bitcoin's market into altcoins. So you want to see Bitcoin's dominance go down while other coins' dominance start to go up, but not a crash in Bitcoin's dominance. That's why I'm saying 5 years. 5 years is a nice gradual decline of Bitcoin's dominance, and maybe and in actuality the price of Bitcoin is not going to go down, but what's happening is the market as a whole starts to grow. So a trillion or a 1.5 trillion or 2 trillion out of 10 trillion is only 20%. So you see the dominance there of Bitcoin go down without the actual price of Bitcoin going down. But if you see the whole market go from 1.2 trillion dollars in market cap to 1 trillion, that's not Bitcoin's dominance goes down. That's the market declining. So you don't want to see that. You want to see the market cap continue to go up as a whole and Bitcoin's dominance go down. Okay, so that's something to keep an eye for. Now let's look at Bitcoin, and again, look at the buying and selling pressures. So you can see Bitcoin is not like altcoins, and again, altcoins follow. Bitcoins, you see a bit more sellers than you were seeing in the altcoins, but again, overwhelmingly there's more buyers than there are sellers. And for Bitcoin to get that crucial level of 40,000, which I think will happen by the end of this week, you're looking at about, that's not a lot, 470 Bitcoins need to be sold to reach that level. So guys, it's manageable. None of these are crazy numbers, unreachable, that have never happened. Again, I'm saying 470 or 775. What that means is right the second there's 475. As people see it getting higher to these levels, more people are tempted to say, okay, fine, you know what, it's almost 40, I'll sell at 40. So you start to see these numbers go up. And same thing goes for buyers, right? When they see that number get to 50 Bitcoins, or like, oh my God, I'll buy it. You know, even whales will say, I'll buy it just so I can cross that resistance levels and hopefully see the price jump. Again, we'll talk about major support levels here. Are you seeing for Bitcoin again? Somewhat of a good support level at about 35K. And the biggest jump for Bitcoin right now is going to be at actually a little bit, $38,000. $38,000. There's a bit of a resistance, but overall, it's looking good, guys. It's looking good. Let's take a look. Yeah, I don't see any major upticks there, but again, major support level looking at 35. So we're doing well, guys. Let's keep up the good work. Everyone hold on tight. I know many of us, and I'm not gonna say I'm excluded, were really scared when we saw the prices go down, but you have to know how this market acts, right? And when you know how the market acts, you become more comfortable. Let's look what's happening in the last week. Look at this, guys. Yes, there's a drop, but we're still doing all right. We haven't dropped below, you know, the threshold, so we're doing good. I wish I can go back a little bit more, but I can't on this site. Now, if you're looking to find out what site I'm using right now, because it's really helpful and I like it, it's just called CryptoWatch.ch. CryptoWatch. Now, they're not sponsoring me or anything like that. I just like their website. So if you want it, just that's the website. Okay, it's right up here. You can see it, and then the link. So yeah, that's a bit about Bitcoin. I know there's some ADA fans that have been messaging me and asking some questions. So I'll go to get into ADA. I'm gonna say this: I love XRP. XRP is the best, and XRP will reach the highest level. But right now, if you're looking for stability, anybody looking for stability, ADA is the place to be. All right. I don't know about its growth. I expect major growth soon, but over the long term, I expect XRP to cross it, and that's why I'm more heavily invested in XRP. But ADA is stable, and it's going to have stable growth. So good job, ADA. I was reading 70% of ADA is staked, so their market is stable. That's why it's stable. So 70% of ADA people are putting it saved in a sort of, if you want to call it, account where they can't sell it. So for that much people to have comfort and not want to sell it, stabilizes the market, which we're seeing clearly right here. And wow, ADA, excellent support levels. Expected it. Remember when I said it's stable? This is what I'm talking about. So ADA has a good support level there at 47.5. They have a good support level at 46.5. Let's go back a bit more. Yeah, another good support level at 140. ADA is a good coin here to hold in terms of stability. But in terms of the resistance, there's a bit of resistance at $1.50, so at about a penny, and there's another resistance at $1.51, and then the next one is at $1.55. But again, look at the buyers compared to the sellers, guys. Still significantly more buyers than sellers. Oh wow, a really good resistance at 110. Regardless, guys, so good time to buy is my conclusion, is what I'm trying to tell you out of everything that I'm doing here. Good time to get in. So I'm not a financial advisor, though. Make sure you do your own research, and as with cryptocurrency, as with stocks, as with everything else, the money that you put in, be prepared to lose it. Right? All right. So I mean, I didn't care. Well, I cared, but I would have not gotten a heart attack if I lost some money from what happened in the last crash. It can happen. I mean, I'm not trying to tell you I know what's happening 10 years in advance, or what will happen years in advance, but this is what the market's looking like right now. And the market in cryptocurrency particularly is volatile. Things can suddenly surprise you, but I don't expect to see any surprises in the coming couple of weeks, probably 2-3 weeks. After that, who knows, with especially if the lawsuit's over with, which I expect. I've been reading some tweets, people that have been for a long time saying May 31st. So that sounds like it's it makes sense with what's going on with the lawsuit. So if that happens, the market is just going to go, and it's not just going to be XRP. It's going to be everything. okay, because it gives a bit of clarity. Keep in mind what's happening with XRP, what SEC is claiming XRP did to settle, and that's called, sorry, what XRP did for them to be sued, a lot of crypto companies have done. So, once, if XRP is successful, the SEC will be essentially unable to sue any other cryptocurrency. But if XRP magically, unfairly loses, then the crypto is done for the most part. But we're in a good spot. XRP is going to win. We have a good discovery hearing. I think that we're going to get the results probably in the next couple of days. And they're going to win that, most likely. Not according to my own advice, according to lawyers and people that are involved in the case. So if you look at Jeremy Hogan's, I mean, his answer was clear. We have a win here. And I was reading a lot of other lawyers, Johnny Deaton, and a lot of them see this as an almost definitive win. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, like that button, click that like button, click subscribe. It means everything to me. It helps me grow. It helps me make more videos for you and educate you guys and make money and help you make money. So make sure you click that like button, you subscribe, and join my Patreon. It would mean a lot. Thanks so much, guys, and see you in the next one.